This is the most powerful breathing technique I've ever used. I don't have a lot of time today, but I want to share with you the most powerful breathing technique I've ever used. It's called Ujjayi breathing, and it translates to victory breath. How you do it is you breathe like Darth Vader. So what I want you to do is keep your mouth closed. The inhale and the exhale comes from your nose. You're going to use the muscles in your throat, but try not to think about it too much. To start, I want you to inhale and pretend like you're snoring, not like one of those really gross, loud ones, but just a nice, subtle, oceanic sounding snore, like you're the tide ebbing and flowing. So close your eyes, let's try. Now, once you can't inhale anymore, I want you to pretend like you're exhaling to fog up some glass that's in front of you, but keep your mouth closed. So it sounds like this. You see how it sounds like Darth Vader a little bit? Let's do it 2 more times. So take an inhale. Exhale. One more, nice and slow. Inhale. Exhale. This breathing technique is insanely powerful. The only way you can actually find out how powerful it is if you use it. So I'd love to hear what you think and your experience with it if you comment below. So use this technique if you're ever going through something that's challenging. It could be on your yoga mat or it could be in your life. Just remember, how we do one thing is how we do all things. So make sure that you're paying attention to the detail and always breathing, because the small reflects the large, and you breathing is the foundation from which you grow from. So keep breathing, keep being you, and be the rock star of your own life. Peace.